Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your TikTok account. First of all, open your TikTok account and then you're going to try the login options by click on add account and then tap toggle login in, or click on add another account and then choose username if you remember it, or use linked social media accounts, Apple, Google to regain access. Contact TikTok support through support or feedback section and explain your situation with as much detail as possible. If you guys remember the credentials, then just simply click it. If you guys have logged into Facebook beforehand, then you are going to click Facebook and then wait for a while, enter all your credentials. After that, you guys will have been logged into your old account, and this is how you guys can recover your old account. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.